Hi team. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the classes and the type of classes. So in the FileNet, there are the three type of classes: document classes, folders, and custom object. So this is the ACC. I'm trying to log in here. Okay. So I'm expanding the object store. So I have created the two object store. Firstly is the DOS and TOS. DOS means it's for the development and TOS is for the uh, testing. So in the development object store, I'm opening. If we know about the classes and if we want to create some classes, then we need to go to the data design. Inside the data design, there is a classes folders are there. Just expand this and see. If you expand the classes, there are the three type of classes: document, folder, and custom object. Okay. So what are these classes and what are the purpose of this? So document class is basically create for some multi-purpose you can say document. I have some multiple departments are there like that account payables like that one real estate you can also say one sales department also say you can. Okay, so in the document you can create these multiple classes. Okay, so let's suppose that I have one organization, and what's the name of this organization? It's the uh, you can say uh, ABC. You can say let's assume. Okay, so I have a ABC organization. So I have just create this classes with the name of the ABC and click next and finish. So again, I'm going to the classes. So if you can expand the document, you can see this ABC class is there. Okay, so now let's assume my organization's name is the ABC, and inside the ABC there are the three types of three type of department or the two department I can say. So I'm just right click on the ABC and create new class. This new class, this I'm going to create. This is the child class of the ABC. Okay, so ABC is the parent class of this class. So on here I am creating one sale sales team. You can say click outside and click on a next and finish this. So I'm again going to the data design, classes, document, and the ABC. See, the sales team is the child class of the ABC. So as like the sales team, I'm going to create a one more class here. It's a you can say account payable team, account team you can say. So what is the purpose of creating these inherited classes you can say? So what the main objective of this? If any security and I want to apply in these two classes, so means we can we need to just only apply to the property of the ABC class because these are the child class of the ABC. So on these below classes, it's automatically applied. Okay, so like to These some organization security. But if I'm talking about the team security, so for that, there are some different securities I can apply in the account team and the sales team. So security means account team is only accessible to the account team. So nobody from the other team can see the documents of this class. Okay. So you can say, okay, I'm going to create a one document here inside this account team. So how to create a one document on a class? So for that, you need to just check these properties are there. These are the property which we can create in with the help of this class. Okay. So these are the way so we can create some classes here. Okay. So these are the document class. So if I'm talking about the folder class is nothing but it's a folder. So if I'm going to create a new folder here, so new folder means a new class. New class also you can create, but okay, I'm creating a one, it's a sales folder, sales class and created sales team. So this is the child class of the folder. So you can see it's saying this is the already existed class with the same name. Okay, so you can see inside this folder there are some other multiple classes are there: preferences folder, solution folder, teams folder. Okay, and now I'm going to the browser. So browser, this is the root folder. Root folder is a means you can say parent folder of the all for all child folder. So if I want to create some folders are there, so then what I need to do? Just right click this new folder. So the same structure here I can create. Same structure means like the ABC is my organizations. So you can see this class. So this is the type of the class. This is the folder class. This is the folder. This C. This is the class type of folder. So if I want to create one folder, so this is the folder type class. But folder also having some multiple classes are there. You can see preferences folder, Renate artifact, solution folders, team space, and team space template. So these are. So if I'm going to create one folder, so you can show all these folders are there. Okay, and if you want to create a one folder class and this ABC ABC organization folder, maybe you can say select of this class. Okay, but for now I'm selecting this folder and click on a next. And here you can see these are some by default selected documents are there. Sorry, options are there. So these are the already selected default retention period none because this is means if the folder is created, it's created. So means if you want to delete this folder, then you need to manually delete this. So there are some other folders are also there. Infinity. What is the infinity? The object of the retained infinity. You can enter a specific retention later. Okay, and expiration and the permanent. So these are the types of the you can say when this folder is being deleted and how many times this folder will exist. Okay, so you can take as per the default section. These are the auto selected options are there. Now I'm going to click on a next. When you click on a next, you can see these details. Folder name is the ABC, class is the folder, retention date, no, because we have not selected any retention date. So click on a finish now. See, created ABC. So if I'm check in the if I want to check the folder is created or not, then we need to go to the browse because the folder are existed in the browse only. Browse root folder. You need to expand the root folder. See, this ABC folder is created. So ABC folder is created, but inside the ABC also, I want to create some multiple folders are there. So for that, you need to just right click this new folder, or there is a one more option. When you are selecting this folder, there are some options are visible here. Here you can create the folder. Okay, there is a one more action. This is only for the when inside this folder maybe having some documents are there. So this action will apply on that only. But this is upper action. This is only applied to this folder. Okay, so I am going to create a one more folder here. So when you click on a one new folder, so it's asking about the name of the folder. So I'm putting one name, sales team folder. Okay, this is again I'm by default selecting options. I'm going with click on the next and see these details are shown here. Now it's you can see finish. And now, if you are going to expand these folders and see the what is the inside of the ABC folder, you can see this sales team folder are created. Okay, so till that we have seen the some classes we have created, some document classes we have created, some folders we have created. Okay, and you can say some folder classes you can also create it. But there are the third type of the classes are there. It's a custom object. So means what the purpose of these multiple classes is being created and is being in the FileNet. Why these are using? So document class is mainly purpose of the created some document with the help of some property with some content. But in the folders, you can say simply the folder as per like your system explorer in your laptop or in your PC systems. Okay, this is the same behavior of this folder, but this is the you can say this is the existing inside the folder class only. Okay, and maybe you have created some more classes inside the folder, so you can during the creating of the folder you can select that class, select that folder class. So there is a third types of the class are there. It's a custom object. So custom object basically created for the property only. So in the custom object, we can't add the content. That's the main difference between the document and the custom object. Okay. So now I'm going to create one custom object class are there. So for that, I need to go to the data design and after that expand the classes. This is the custom object. So there may be some classes are there which is the by default is created. Some are we have created. Okay. So if we want to some custom class is created of with some with a custom object. So just click on a right click and click on a new class. When you click on a new class, it's asking for the class name as per the document class. Okay. The creation means the creating things are the same as per the document. Okay, but the some behavior is being the different. So in the custom object custom object class, I want to create some. I want to create one child class here. So I'm going to create one ABC uh, custom object here and click on the next and say display name is the ABC underscore CO. CO means I'm just using the short form custom object and the description is also the same. You can change the description if you want. I'm clicking on a back, and then you can see the descriptions are there. Hmm. मन कोणी कुठे लागतं. सुन कोणी म्हण. Okay, so you can change the descriptions here if you want. Yeah, so you can edit the descriptions here like that. I'm adding um, this custom object class for class is the parent class of sales team. Like that, you can change the description here. Okay, so I'm going to click on next and see that the descriptions I have added. It's here. Now just click on finish, and now just check the class is it created or not. Expand the data design, classes, custom object, and inside the custom object, what's the name of the class? It's a ABCCO. It is created, but what's happening? Okay, let me open this. Okay, we have created the class, but it's not shown here. Let me just create once again. Okay, it's seen on here, ABCCO. Okay, let me just create once again. ABCCO. I am just removing the underscore here. Custom object and finish this. Now open the data design, expand the classes and custom object. See, I think last time maybe we did some mistake and that's why it's not created. So look like this. This is the all the features. It's maximum look like says a document class, but the main difference is that when we creating the documents here, so we can't put the content. We just put the properties here, only the properties, values, and maybe some created some more properties are here. So these are the some system properties. You can see display name. So once the class is created, so you can change the symbolic name or the change the display name uh, in this property section, and just scroll down. There are more items are there. You can see the created date, last modifier, who added this, modify this. See, I'm logged in as a P8 admin. That's why it's showing the P8 admin, because I using the P8 admin only we have created this. And this is the document ID, document class ID, you can say. So when you created any class, when you created any folders, and when you created any document using the document class or the custom class maybe. So means in the FileNet, uh, every class or the every documents having the unique ID. You can say, okay, this is, you can say who is the owner of this P8 admin at the rate ecm.com. Okay, there is the one more section we are able to see. It's a property definition. Property definition, it's empty now. Property definition is the section where we are adding some custom properties are there, which is created by the the human. Okay, in this property section, before that, these are the some system created properties only. But in the property definition section, we can add some we can say newly created property or some create new created property here. So see, I'm click on add, so you can see there is some the list of the properties is created. So we can attach the anyone here, but this we will discuss after after this session. Okay, so now let's come to the document. So means we have created the document, we have created the folder, and we have created the custom object. So if I want to create one document on the document class, then how we can do that? So for that you need to you need to open any folder here. So I'm creating this document inside the sales team, and see, when you are right clicking the sales team, or when you are expand the action, so you may see this option new document. So when you are clicking on this new document, this may be asking for the title. Title is for, you can say, today some you can say some product we have delivered to the customer. Okay, so it's the invoice, you can say. Okay, so after putting the document title, after that it's asking for the document class name. See, this is the classes, and inside this classes, the by default is selected as a document class. But if you want to change, then you can do. Okay, and if you have some multiple classes, uh, then you can also means change the class name. But on here you can search only the document class only. Okay, like that. Below, on the below you can see there are the test2 class. So if I'm search here test, see, when I type the test here, so with the starting the test name is showing the two classes are here, test2 and test class one. So I'm selecting as a test2, but instead of the test2 selecting, I am selecting as a ABC, because ABCCO or the ABC I'm going to select it. And because this is the document of the sales team, then also I can search the sales team class. So search the sales team, and mention select here. And after that, it's asking for the with content. With content means in this document, are you having any types of the attachment, any types of the uh, file? You can say PDF file, and some txt, some any types of file you can say. Are you having, if you want to, okay, it's asking for the extended session or the sign out. I'm clicking on extended session. So if you want to attach some content here, then you can by default is selecting, and other than you can deselect this. For that, I'm clicking on a next. After that, it's asking for the content element, means the you can see the attachment it's asking for. So when you click on a add, it's asking for the file name or maybe the URL. So if you have any file in your system, then you can select here. For now, I'm selecting this. This is the one image, and select this and click on add content. Okay. So after you add this, it's show on here content transfer. The file, what is the file name and what is the MME type. MME type is the nothing but is the type of the file. It's an image diff file. After that, click on the next. You may be attach multiple file here. For now, I am attaching the only one, but you may be attach the multiple. Or if you want to remove this, then select. Okay, for your understanding purpose, I'm attaching the one more file here, and see start and stop script. It's a text document. Click on it. So now the two files are here. Okay. So if you want to remove any one files and uh, just select the file, like to the first one, that's the image I have uploaded. I want to remove this. So just select the file and click on a remove. So it's going to remove. Okay. So then just select this and click on a next button if you are going to further. Okay. So these are some properties is attached here. These are some by default properties here, because till that we have not attached any property. And you can see some component binding label, some ignore reflect, some entry template structure, some entry template address. So just ignore these things, because these property may be attached in the document class, because document class is the parent class of all these class, is the root class. Okay, so click on the next and see. After that, it's asking for some checkbox, save as a reservation, create a minor version, create a component document. So just ignore these points and click on the next. And after that, also just the same thing we have seen the last time during creation the class. Okay, so just take as a by default which is already selected and click on the next. So after clicking on a next, it's asking for some advanced feature. Advanced feature means there are some storage area. If you have any, then select and attach here. Okay, see. For now, I'm able to see these two storage area. Okay, and after that, okay, I have just minimized this for the viewable purpose. So after that, security policies are there. So if you are drag and drop this, expand this, so there are the no security policies are there. Lifestyle policy is none, and the replication group is also none. So just take as a by default and click on a next, and see after doing this, you can see the details what you have selected and what you have means deselect the thing. So the document title is the invoice, class is the sales team, with content. We are creating this document as a with content, false, retention date, none, MI type, classify the document. And after that, you can click on a finish. So after that, its document is being created. And if you are going to open this, then you can see all the details of this document. See what's the details we have selected for this, and the document the any document we have created by using the document class or the maybe any child class of the any document child class. So all these documents are is going to versionable. Versionable means suppose that the one document I have created on today. Okay. So it's the version of this document is being one because today I have created this newly document. So see, this version status is the one. Okay. But if I have some update on tomorrow, okay, then what I can do? So on tomorrow, no need to do the anything. Just update this, update the attachment or update the property of this document and check in the document. Check in means the same document, same ID you will be using, but the version is being upgrade from first to the second. Okay. So for now, I'm going to close this. And same thing the for creating the folders and for creating the documents. The same thing you can do from the Navigator also. But if you want to create the classes, if you want to create some child classes, then you need to these things you need to create these things inside the administrator console only. Okay, because these things are being created by the administrator only. So that's why from the content navigator we can't able to create. Content navigator is only is the it's a user viewable only. It's for the end user. It's not for the administrator. Okay, and if you are going to create the some content, sorry, it's a custom object. Okay, so if you want to create one document on the custom object, then also you can. Let me go to the class or classes and custom object. So in the custom object, you can see if you want to create some classes here, then you can create and for the custom object in the root folder, there is some specific folder are there. It's maybe there, and if it is not, then we need to create custom object. Okay, we are going to create one folder. So the one folder I have created, it's finished. So just click on a browse, or other than just click on open. So we will open this folder also. Okay, and inside this folder you can achieve these things: new folder, new document, new custom object. So if you want to create one custom object inside this folder, so just click on a custom object, new custom object. So see, previously we have created the document by using the document class. But on here, if I want to create the folder by using the custom object, see in the class section, you can see the custom object is showing. And if you want to expand the this drop down, you can see this class ABCCO, ABC custom object. So last time we have created one class on the custom object class. It's a child class of the custom object ABCCO. So you can select this and Just create one custom object here. Like to I'm putting one name. It's a test one. The test underscore co. You can say, and click on the next. On here, it's asking for the type of the object. Okay, if you have any type, then you can display or the edit value if these have already selected, or you can put any name. It's okay, and because these have not any name here, that's why it's showing as a empty. So custom object type, we have not any custom object type. It's only a value property name. So I'm putting as a OK because it's a edit box. So click on a next. After that, the same thing is came. Just take as a by default, which is already selected, and see after that. This description is being shown. It's a summary which we have selected, and click on finish. Okay. So the custom object is being created, and if you want to check the details of this, and see there's a start time, end time, and the create test. Oh, test means that's the and that's a custom object document name. So if you want to check the more details, then you can click on open, and see this is the name inside the, because custom object have not such any name. Okay, so inside the name you can maximum time you can see the property name directly. Okay, and here the class name which we have selected. Okay, okay, by mistakenly I have I click on a class name, so it's the class details is opening. So I'm just click on a close. So it's a document, it's a custom object document basically. So on here you can see the property details. Okay, in the property details you can see last modify date, what is the ID of this, what is the name of this, who is the owner, and some more details are here. Folder filed in means these uh, test CO document is existed on which folder. So on here it's showing the path slash custom object. Slash means in the root folder there must be a folder. It's a custom object. So inside this custom object folder, you must go this custom object document. So if I'm going to browse this and root, and on here I have created one folder custom object. So just expand this, and if you are expanded and click on a journal, see these means this folder details you will show, but there are not shown any custom object details. Okay, see containment name, custom object, and path. So there are the one there are the one document only here, one custom object only created, tests underscore co inside this path, and by using this can say this folder. Okay, so that's all guys for this session. We'll see you on a next we'll see you on a next session. Till that time, take care, and see you soon.